repairs, and tonight we're taking a look at this beautiful Yamaha RS 320 NATO neck and body construction, rosewood fretboard, ceramic humbuckers with a traditional three-way selector, one tone, one volume, and of course set neck. And the wonderful thing with Yamahas, um, they're such a consistent brand. Many of the other brands you'll hear musicians say 2012 was a good year, 2010 was a bad year, don't buy 2010. By 2015, quality control changed, things like that. You never ever hear those stories with Yamaha. You always hear consistency, regardless of the country of manufacture. You never hear Yamaha owners say, oh, it was made in China, it was made in Taiwan, etc., etc. A Yamaha stays a Yamaha stays a Yamaha. Sadly, they are a little on the expensive side of things. And it's one of those brands you either love them or you're jealous. But yeah, they absolutely wonderful, never give problems for years and years and years, and simplistic. They uncomplicate things. Um, keep it simple. And yeah, this one is a particular demonstration of their workmanship and their quality in the electric guitars and acoustics, especially in the acoustics. And you start looking at the Compass range and some of the more high-end jumbo acoustics that they do and dreadnoughts and grand concerts. Even the entry-level F310 acoustic is, in terms of the cost price, extremely good value for money. So yeah, this week we're taking a look at the Yamaha RevStar S320 RS 320. Just need to do a setup on it and take it for a spin. RS 320 Rev Star. Absolutely wonderful guitar. Yeah, such a large variety of songs can be played on an instrument like this, even though you're sitting with just two humbuckers and a three-way selector. Um, because the vast differences in tone between your bridge and neck pickup, well, they're vast, they're massive. I mean, the neck pickup is extremely mellow, and the bridge is extremely bright. And of course, your center combination is just magical. Competing with the likes of, let's not say Paul Reed, dot dot dot. But yeah, it's extremely well made and plays absolutely wonderfully. And of course, I'm running it through the Lallmaster, which is an amp, custom built amp, 10 watt full valve, based on the schematic of the Fender Blues Junior. So yeah, there you have it. See you next time.